Last week, we took a close look at the proposed ammo ban of manufacturing civilian 223 or 5.56 ammo out of the U.S. Army's ammo plant, Lakeside Ammo. Now, we went as far as driving out to Lake City Ammo to find answers, and really, we just kind of got shut down. But what we've discovered recently, well, let's first say that 30% of the 5.56 ammo that comes to the market for civilians comes from Lake City Ammo. With that being said, it's recently reported that according to White House officials, this proposed ammo ban, they didn't say it's not happening, and they didn't say it is happening. They essentially said that what the media is suggesting, those are way off, was in quotes, are way off. Meaning there's clearly some sort of agenda here, whether or not it's this. So a lot of news outlets are going out and saying, okay, that was a lie, but to say that they're way off, let me tell you, living out by Lake City and seeing the local things that are coming out of there, there's major changes taking place at Lake City. Now, I do believe that a lot of that has to do with changing the ammo for the military rifles, but right now, the only information we have on this proposed ammo ban from the White House itself is that what the media is saying is way off. What that means, we still are yet to see. But we will definitely keep an eye out on that. If you've heard anything or if you have any insight to that, definitely put that in the link below. This is a big deal, and this is something that we shouldn't just say, well, if they said we're way off by what we said they were going to do, well, explain yourselves. How far are we off? Like, are we like way off or just kind of off? Because what I've learned is when politicians put a spin on things, statements like you're way off doesn't mean you're wrong, and it doesn't mean you're right. It just means they're trying to spin it to their advantage. So again, any insight you may have into the proposed ammo ban from the U.S. Army producing civilian ammo out of Lake City Ammo manufacturing plant, put that below. And we'll continue to update you as well as we hear what's happening, but right now, that's what we see. 30% of 5.56 civilian ammo comes out of that one plant. White House says we're way off by what we've said, that they're proposing no more civilian ammo. So we'll see. Again, any insight, put that below. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. If you feel called to support this channel to Patreon, that link is also below. But by far, the most important part of this channel is we take prayer requests. So please don't ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.